Am I getting fancy or what? Not bad, not bad. Look at that. That is a Bailey's Macchiato with a cappuccino pod. Oh my goodness. I know you're not meant to stir these, but I wanted to get the taste of the Baileys because the creamer, it goes in first and it was sort of settling at the bottom, and then you use the cappuccino pod next. So let's try it. Yeah, that was really nice, nice and smooth. You know how you get the the powdered milk that you add water to? Well, it doesn't taste like that. It is really nice. It's got the sweetness. It's got the Bailey's kind of caramel-like taste to it, and the cappuccino, the Kenko cappuccino, fantastic. I love this coffee maker. Right, so it's actually been a really, alright, so it's actually been a pretty good day today, despite having to wait about for the plumber to fix the leak again. But well, got it sorted. Again, lucky with the damage, is not much. It's more just touching up on the old paintwork, I think, once everything dries out. Did manage to get a workout in because he left at 1:15 and I was working at 2, so it was a bit pushed for time. So yeah, diet-wise, perfect. I went to Asda, and it's a bit hit or miss with Asda because one, they've got to have, you know, what you like, and two, it's either going to be dried out or stinking. So I was lucky today. I went for 4 spicy chicken fillets, and I went for 2 chicken breasts, and there was a sausage in a bag for 40 pence. I was like, I'll take it. I'll give it a home. Anyway, so I scoffed that, and it was perfect. It wasn't dry. It was nice and moist. It was nice and spicy. Put a wee bit of salt on it, and I ate it in seconds. It was fantastic. For tea, I had chicken, Brussels sprouts with gravy, pigs in a blanket. I think that was it. I ate it so fast I wasn't even paying attention. It's like, oh, shovel it into my face. Work-wise was good. Worked 6 hours, which is mad when you compare to, like, was it the beginning of February or something like that? I think when I started just eating Uber Eats and I was still working at Domino's, working 12, 13, 14 hours in a day. It was mental. I was worn done. So I just worked 6 today and I still met my target. So very pleased. So yeah, in general, life's good, and I'll catch you tomorrow.